Hello, my artsy friend. In this video, we'll be going over the leaf stitch. Let's jump in. Starting by knotting our yarn, and then I'm going to thread this. I'm going to take the threader, grab the yarn, and pull that right through. Now I'm ready. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to be going down the center. This is going to create the vein of our leaf. So this is the leaf stitch. And then we're going to come up to the left. You can go left or right. But I'm going to start on the left and then cross over the right and go over that center line. And I'm going to do the opposite on the other side. So I'm going to go to the right and then cross over to the left. As long as I'm alternating sides, left then right, and crossing that center piece, I am going to get that vein for the leaf. There are lots of different ways to do this. This one is a little bit of a cheat since you've got your holes here, but you'll see other variations of this. Essentially, you just want to make sure that you're crossing over so that you're getting the vein of that leaf. So you're getting that texture. So I'll continue doing this. I'm going to follow this all the way down. I'm just going down the sides, left then right, crossing center. So again, we'll come up through the back, and we'll cross over to the opposite side. And then we're going to end in the bottom there in the middle. So one more time, and then we'll start finishing our leaf. Cross over, wrong hole. Cross that over, and then we'll finish it off. So on the bottom here, we're going to end up sharing that center hole on both sides. And that is it. One more stitch, and that is our leaf stitch. And I do like to keep the back tidy. I just slip under those stitches, but that's it. Check it out.